Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to transform your picture by flipping it vertically or horizontally on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select a picture from your gallery, and after that you should slide to the right side till you find the transform option. Here you can find two buttons, so you can flip it vertically and horizontally as well, as you can see. So tap on the apply button after transforming your picture, and then you will be able to save it by tapping on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.